And students, here I have your question number 4. State which of the following form sets. We will check our statements and justify them with the definition of set. If they are fully justified the set definition of set, then they will be the set. If this statement can't justify with the definition, then it will not be a set. Students, first of all we will revise our definition. That is, set is the collection of objects which are well defined and distinct. Now check if the statement is well defined and distinct, then it will be a set. Here we have strong people in a town. You know our first word is well defined. It can't justify with that word because ideas or choice for the strong people can't be same in many people. There will be the different choices for strong people. So we cannot, if it is not justifying with first word, we will not check our second word distinct. Here on the basic, this statement tells us that it is not a set, so we will write here it is not a set. Next one is student of a class. You can pick any one class, 1, 2, 3, 4, in which class you are studying, that is class 6. Let's check this statement with your class. Students, your class students are well defined because you can count them, and if you ask all the teachers, they will tell you the same number of students of your class because they are well defined. Here it justify with first word well defined. Now we will check our second word distinct. Student, every student will be different from other student. If the names of student are same, we will write them twice because they are the names of two students, not the same student, they are two names of two students, so they are distinct too, so it is a set. Next one is famous film actors. Students, here again I have tell you, according to choice the film actors will not be the same, so it can change in many, the choice can be changed in many people, so it can't made a set, so it is not a set. In this way you will complete your exercise 1A. Inshallah, in our next lecture we will discuss about the set notations. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.